What's going on? I'm here with the teams and owner random for 16 drafts super jumbo. Appreciate the fill. We'll do this 9:30 Eastern time tonight, 4:13 p.m. Central time. Dice roll, no snake eyes. Same dice roll for both. What we got? Niner. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money shot. Terry Gardner on top, Chris on bottom. Drop that in. 26. We went 9 times. Hop over here. We'll go 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Money shot. Terry Gardner has Miami. Houston going to Chris. There's that. I'll post the list up. We'll take it down. I'll get all this posted. Time is 4:14.